It's not that dangerous?
No.
They can kick you?
Yeah, they can kick, but okay.
With the front leg?
Yeah, both legs, both forelegs. They can.
Go.
So it's now getting the stinging nettles, or urtica, as a supplement. So this is Maasai giraffe.
Are they aggressive?
Not really. If they were aggressive, then we would not be close. They are not as aggressive as buffaloes.
Close?
Yeah, if they are aggressive, like we don't get close to zebras. Buffaloes. They are very aggressive. But here we can get so close. Only that we don't want to disturb them. And so this is a Maasai giraffe, a young female. It's about 8 years. It's pregnant.
It's pregnant.
Yeah, a gestation period is 14 months.
14 months.
14 meses. 14. And so we have 3 types as well. The northern giraffe is called reticulated, which is found in the north of the equator. And then the south, we have Maasai. And also we have Rothschild, mostly found in Lake Nakuru. Have you gone to Lake Nakuru?
Yeah, this morning.
Oh, you're in Lake Nakuru this morning? Oh, wow. So you've seen the rhino?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have both black and white rhinos.
Yeah.
Maybe show them the photos. Or you send them, you share.
Yes.
You share with them.
But they can see them at the giraffe center as well.
Oh, yeah. At the giraffe center, you are allowed to feed. You can give them some candies, you can give them, some pellets. They can pick from your hand. And sometimes if you fix on your lips, then the giraffe will come and...
I think that's too much.
It's a little. So they have plenty of food here. And if the acacia is tall,